Hello, my name is Annika Hey. I'm a design principal with MentorMate, and today I'm going to talk about the value of design research. When I say design research, what I mean is the method and the activities that MentorMate uses to better understand our users and bring value to the problems that we're solving for our clients. Design research is the structured investigation of human behavior, motivation, and context. We use design research to prioritize our end users within the needs of the businesses that we work for. When we look at design research, often one of the first questions we get is, how much will it cost? And design research can add to a project budget and timeline, but it brings additional value and cost savings with it. The commonly accepted figure is that design research will save you money, with every $1 you spend on research activities having the potential to save you $10 throughout the development phase of your digital product, and an additional $100 through any post-development revisions you might need to make had you not done design research. Design research also brings value to projects by allowing us to make strongly data-backed decisions as we design out our work. When we work with our clients, design research is the best tool that we have to answer two commonly asked questions. The first of those is, what is the right thing to design? The next is, did we design the thing right? So when we do design research early on in a client engagement, we look to discover what problems users are actually encountering. Sometimes we run into clients who come to us with a solution rather than a business need or a question, and it's our job to investigate for them whether or not that solution is actually the best fit. We bring value to our clients through design research by speaking to actual users and determining if their solution fits the problems and needs of the people using their product. Once we understand what the actual problem statement is, we then go and start to hypothesize what solutions could be. That hypothesis is wireframes, it's sketches, it's how we propose a design solution. Once we have that, then we try to answer the question, did we design the thing right? And we use design research again to put our hypothesis in front of actual end users to gather their feedback and empathize with their needs so that we can deliver the best product possible. Another way that design research brings value to the work that we do is through eliminating bias. We all view the world through a unique lens. We can't necessarily expect to know everything that our users need, want, or experience. We use design research as a way to get in to actually speak to our end users, to understand what they're going through as they interact with our products, and to better understand the context that they think around or operate in. Design research gives us data to move our own assumptions and biases aside and rather look at the evidence that we have in front of us to tell us what people want or need. If we were to ask people, how do you get to work? We might personally assume that they'll say some things like, I walk to work, or I drive my car. But the reality is that people are going to give us all sorts of different answers. Some people will tell us that they ride in on the train. Others will tell us that they telecommute and actually don't go into work at all. There's a huge variety of answers out there. And the things that come to mind for us first might not be the reality for most of our users or audience. Design research will help us to understand that and empathize with our users so that we can make the best and most correct solutions for them through our design and development work. One final way that design research brings value to a project is by allowing us to establish speed and velocity through structure. With design research, we have a proven methodology that allows us to quickly gather insights around users and what their needs are. We're no longer grasping at straws or trying to empathize through snatched conversations. Rather, we have a process that we follow that can scale consistently to the needs of a project or the complexity of the question at hand, and moves us faster to understanding what our proposed solutions need to be than if we just approached things without establishing empathy or understanding for the design user perspective. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for our next chapter on design research.